Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am going to explain you about the atomic model. So, do you know guys about the atom, nucleus and the protons? So, first we will draw the diagram. So, this neutron contains positive and a neutron. Neutron and a neutron does not have any sign like plus or minus, it is neutral, and the positive one is proton, so the negative charge is called as electron. So this part is completed, and the protons and neutron together called as nucleus. So this is the first point, and the second point is the closest shell. This is known as shell. The electron revolves around the shell, so the closest shell has less energy. It has less energy. So these are 2 points. So I have made a mistake. The closest shell, or you can say orbit, the closest shell has less energy. So we will move on to the Bohr's postulates. So the Bohr's postulates. So do you know guys what does postulate means, or what does Bohr want to explain in these postulates? So we will now find out. The first postulate is the electron revolves around the nucleus. It has a circular fixed path. So we will write here: electron revolves around the nucleus of an atom in a circular path, fixed circular path. In a fixed circular path called as orbit or shell. So these are known as orbit or else shell. So they have a fixed energy also. It has a fixed energy level. And I'll show you the diagram one more. So this is the nucleus, and the electrons are, this is shell, first shell, second shell, third shell. So it goes on. So this is nucleus, this is nucleus, this is first shell. So we will write n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So guys, n is equal to 1 means K shell, n is equal to 2 means L shell, n is equal to 3 is equal to M shell. And if you have one more shell, then it will be n is equal to 4, it will be N shell. So we will move on to the second postulate. So the second postulate is there is a heavy particle it is called nucleus. So this is the second postulate. So first I have said you that the nucleus contains two things. It contains protons and the neutrons. So it may be asked in 1 marks answer, 2 marks answer. And we will move on to the third postulate. So third postulate is electron does not emit energy. Electron does not emit energy, but electron emit energy when it moves or when it jumps from higher level higher to the lower level. So when the I will show you in the diagram how it jumps. So these are the orbits, and the middle one is the nucleus. So electron, when the energy is emitted, the electron moves from the higher orbit to the lower orbit, from the higher orbit to the lower orbit. So here, so third postulate is also done. Now we will move on to the fourth postulate. So let's start the fourth postulate. The fourth postulate is electron moves away from the nucleus. So when it moves away from the nucleus, the energy level of the electron goes on increasing. So we need to write that. So the electron moves when the electron moves away from the nucleus, the energy of the an electron goes on increasing. So guys, I will show you the diagram. So These are the two. This is the first electron. This is nucleus. So the one electron is far away from the nucleus. So when the electron moves away from the somewhere, it's so when it moves away from the nucleus, the energy goes on increasing. So we will move to the fifth postulate. So we will move on to the fifth postulate. The fifth postulate is any electron does not revolve in any shell. So electron only revolve in the shell in which angular momentum and integral angular momentum and the integral multiple of h by 2 pi. So like these the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.